DPCcars has rendered the 27 Mercedes GLA, predicting what this vehicle could look like. The digital recreation is based on the latest spy photos, prototype sightings, and Mercedes-Benz's newest design direction, offering an early look at the next generation of the brand's smallest luxury sport utility vehicle before its official debut. Mercedes-Benz is expected to introduce the redesigned GLA on July 29th. And one of the biggest changes could be the way the company approaches its lineup. Instead of giving electric vehicles their own separate styling, the new GLA is expected to share nearly the same design whether buyers choose a gasoline-powered model or an electric version. That means the electric replacement for the EQA should look almost identical to its combustion engine sibling. The latest prototypes suggest the new GLA will feature a cleaner, more modern appearance. Signature three-pointed star lighting elements appear to be integrated into both the headlights and taillights, following the styling theme seen across Mercedes-Benz's newest vehicles. Flush door handles are also expected, helping improve aerodynamic efficiency while giving the crossover a smoother side profile. Although it remains a compact luxury crossover, the 27 GLA appears slightly larger than the current model. Hidden beneath the camouflage are likely full-width light bars at both the front and rear, another design feature that has become increasingly common throughout the Mercedes-Benz lineup. Inside, the cabin is expected to receive a major technology upgrade. A digital instrument cluster and dual 14-inch displays should dominate the dashboard, creating a premium cockpit experience. Higher trim levels could also offer a panoramic glass roof capable of switching from transparent to opaque, while displaying illuminated star patterns above passengers. Under the hood, mild hybrid versions are expected to use a turbocharged 1.5-liter gasoline engine paired with front-wheel drive or all-wheel drive. Fully electric models are expected to ride on Mercedes-Benz's latest architecture, offering rear-wheel drive or all-wheel drive along with a small front storage compartment. The official reveal is only days away, and it will soon be time to compare DPCcars' prediction with the real production model. It will be interesting to see just how closely these renderings match what Mercedes-Benz has been developing behind the camouflage.